In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and understand a store's returns and exchanges policy before starting a return. The first thing you'll want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of the website. On most online stores, important support links are placed in the footer, and that's usually where you'll find the returns and exchanges section. Once you see that link, go ahead and click it to open the policy page. When the page loads, take a moment to carefully read through the rules. This part is very important because return policies can vary depending on the item, the condition it's in, and how much time has passed since delivery. You'll want to pay close attention to the return time limit along with any condition requirements. For example, many stores require the product to be unused, unworn, or returned in its original packaging. If those conditions are not met, the return may be rejected. In most cases, you'll see that standard items can be returned within 30 days. That's a common return window, but don't assume every product follows the same rule. Always confirm the exact timeline listed on the page, especially if you purchased more than one type of item. It's a good habit to check the policy as soon as your order arrives so you don't accidentally miss the deadline. You should also watch for items marked as final sale only. These products are often not eligible for return or exchange at all. Stores usually apply this rule to special promotions, clearance products, personalized items, or certain limited categories. If you're shopping and see final sale language on a product page, it's best to review that carefully before you buy since you may not be able to send it back later. That leads to an important tip. Always check the return policy before making a purchase. A quick review can save you time, money, and frustration, especially if you're ordering